Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Asus ROG Phone 6 Pro and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer, as it is the place where we can enter all of those codes. And let me begin with the shortest one and probably the most known, which is *##06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. So let me tap on OK, and let me show you another code which is actually very similar to the previous one. There is only one difference, and the code is *##07#. And as you can see, thanks to this code we can check the regulatory labels, we can check the exact model, the input, the head and the body of our device, and the SAR value. So let's get back and let me show you another code which will open the phone info. And the code for it is *##4636#*##. And as you can see, and as I said, we are in the testing mode, so we can check the phone info, usage statistics and Wi-Fi info. So let me pick the phone info, for example, and I don't know what happened. As you can see, the SIM card is not installed, so that's why I cannot check the phone info. But trust me, if you've got your SIM card inserted, then for sure you will be able to check the phone info. So there you will be, for example, able to enable the data connection and so on and so on. So here we've got the usage statistics. Here we should have at least the list of the apps which are installed on this device. We can sort them by usage time, last time used, or the app name. I have no idea what's going on here. And we've got also the Wi-Fi info. Here we've got the API configuration or the status. So let's, for example, pick the status. Let's refresh the stats, and here we can check the info like the Wi-Fi state, for example, SSID or network ID. And what's more, you can run ping test here, and the ping test is also available in the phone info. This one. That's all for this code, and let me show you another one which will open the calendar info. And the code for it is *##225#*##. And as I said, we are in the calendar info, so here we've got all the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also be right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check the events, because here they are grouped into particular sections. Let's get back and let me show you the last code which will open the diagnostics. And the code for it is *##426#*##. And as I said, we are in the diagnostics, so here we can check the server, host port, time connected, and we can tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can show advanced view. Just mark this option and tap on the status again. And here we've got much more info, so here, for example, we can check the heartbeat, last ping or HB algorithm. So basically that's all. This is how to use secret codes in your Asus ROG Phone 6 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.